Today we're going to take a look at this digital caliper. You can pick them up for around £3, just over £3 on AliExpress, which is pretty reasonable. So they're digital. You'll probably get it without a battery, so that takes one of the LR44 type, and this little battery case or holder in here. So what you'll need to do when you first get it is to just zero that off. So you sort of push it against the back plate here, zero that to calibrate it, and then you're off. So you've got two ways or three ways of measuring things. You've got the caliper here to go on the outside, like that. You have these ones that can go on the inside. Let's turn that upside down. So you can measure the inside diameter. And you also get this one. So this pokes out, and you can measure the depth of things with that. So if you hold that just on the edge and then push down, you can see that extended down into there, and then read off the value. Now you can switch between millimeters and inches easily using that button. And if you just leave that, it will turn itself off after a while, or you can just hit the button. Overall, I'd really recommend this, especially if you're working on 3D printer models. This can really help you get an accurate picture of something you're trying to maybe produce a holder for, or whatever. Or if you're into crafting, it's a good way of measuring things really easily. So yeah, I'd recommend it, especially for the price. Go on AliExpress and get one of those. Thanks very much.